Hello and welcome to the Opal Shop. Here we've got a parcel of 4 different cuts of opals, Boulder Opals actually. So here's style number 1. It's got a very nice and interesting pattern with the opals. Nice shades of grain flaring through. Notch on the side. Some boulder. Quite smooth. Pretty shape actually. On the side, and most of it's actually on the top surface. It's quite different cut and different style item from number 1. A lot more opal concentrated up here. Could definitely cut and use that bit. Can become easily a pendant earring if you like. Here's the side of that opal here. Back's mostly boulder. This is the side, so there is very much a concentration of the opal lace. Number 3. It's got a really nice concentration of opal right here. It's quite nice shape already on this pre-cut, and a very lovely pattern of opals that you can use to do different things with if you do different cuts with the same piece. And that's piece number 3. And here's a lovely small piece, number 4, where there's quite a lot of opal popping. More of a color variant on this. That's pretty much opal on the whole stone. So nice and polished. There could be a lovely print. And this is our parcel of 4 Boulder Opals. Thanks for watching. Have a lovely one.